I, the thinker. The subject self that experiences the world, the active observer and processor of information. B, the object of thought.
The objective self that can be described and evaluated. The self as it is known and perceived by the individual. Components of the me. Material self, physical body, position and immediate family. Social self, recognition and reputation among peers and society. Spiritual self, inner thoughts, psychological dispositions, values, and conscience.
Implication of the self as a cognitive construct. Dynamic identity. The self is not static. It evolves as new experience and new information are integrated. Self-perception. Individuals can influence their self-perceptions by challenging negative self-beliefs. Empowerment. Understand this concept empowers individuals to shape their identities and pursue personal growth. Mindful construction. Encourage individuals to be mindful architects of their own selves.
Local perspective in the Philippine Central Visayas. 1. Culture influence. In Central Visayas, the self is often viewed in the context of community and family. 2. Pakikipagkapwa-tao. The Filipino value. Pakikipagkapwa-tao o shared identity highlights the importance of social connections in shaping the self. 3. Religious beliefs. Strong religious beliefs often influence the spiritual self, providing a moral framework for self-perception. Education. Local education system aim to instill values that promote both individual and collective well-being.
Global perspective. Western psychology emphasizes individualism and personal achievement in self-construction. Eastern philosophy focuses on interconnectedness and the dissolution of the individual self into a large whole. Multiculturalism acknowledges that self-construction is influenced by cultural norms, values, and social expectations. Modern psychology integrates cognitive and social factors to understand how individuals perceive and construct their identities across different contexts.